Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 8.3 trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Before discussing it, I will just to explain you how these complementaries are related to each other. For this I have taken an example. Let's suppose there is a triangle, right hand triangle at B, and there is the value of 7, 24 and 25 of the respective sides. If I want to find out the angle of sine A, then sine of angle A will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For the angle A, perpendicular is BC, means 7, and hypotenuse will be 25. And what about cross C? Then cross C, yani base. Now I am here. So if the angle C is here, then base is this one and perpendicular is this one. Now the formula is base upon hypotenuse, and you will get again the same value, 7 upon 25. You can see the value of sine A is similar to cos of C. Why? How it is come? Because in the right angle triangle we know that if B is 90 degree, then angle A plus angle C will also 90. Same. So I can say if A is equals to, what about A? Yeah, what about C? C will be 90 minus A. And now we can say if ये मेरे पास cos of C हो, तो ये मेरे पास क्या है? A के लिए तो sin A है, तो it is sin 90 minus A है. मीन्स जो वैल्यू यहाँ पे साइन के लिए है वो वैल्यू यहाँ क्रॉस के लिए. दिस इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स, एंड बाय दिस वे वी जस्ट एक्सप्लेन some formulas for the complementary angle, and that formulas are sin 90 minus A will be equals to cos of A, means 90 minus angle, 90 minus A will means, जैसे मैंने उस ट्राइंगल में लिया था 90 में से A माइनस करो तो क्या मिलेगा, C मिलेगा ना. तो दैट इज सेम चीज कि जो साइन C की वैल्यू होगी वो cos A की वैल्यू होगी. Similarly, cos 90 minus A will equals to sin A, means sin और cos में आपस में ये रिलेशन हो गया. Similarly, tan 90 minus A will equals to cot A, and the cot 90 minus A will equals to tan और कॉटेजेंट में रिलेशन हो जाए मेरे पास. सिमिलरली सेक 90 माइनस ए विल बी क्रॉसेक, एंड द क्रॉसेकेंट 90 माइनस ए विल इक्वल टू सीकेंट ए. ये मेरा रिलेशन इसके बीच में हो गया. अब इन्हीं रिलेशंस के बीच में हाउ विल यू यूज दिस एंड व्हाई इट इज यूज्ड. द बेसिक थिंग इज दिस. Now I will take the exercise 8.3 and explain how it is used for those angles which values are not given in our table, which we have learned in 8.2. Then how will evaluate the values of these angles. See here, exercise 8.3, question number first, part A, and the evaluate sin 18 upon cos 72 degree. In this type of questions, we just, if we have a numerator and denominator, and the angles, degrees of angles are those which are not present in our trigonometric table value, then we just apply these methods, these formulas. I just take the numerator first, sin as it is. How much I subtract from 90 to get 18? if I put now I want to get 18 by subtracting from 90, then it will be 72. अगर मुझे 18 लाना है, 90 में से 72 माइनस करूँगा 90 में से 72, तभी तो 18 आएगा. मुझे हमेशा यहाँ पे 90 नहीं लेना है, इससे 90 के अलावा और कुछ लेना भी नहीं है, ये भी याद रखना है. यहाँ तो 90 लेना ही लेना है, माइनस कितना करना है वो आपको देखना होगा. अब क्योंकि मुझे क्वेश्चन में इधर 72 दिख रहा है, तो पूरे क्वेश्चन में, होल क्वेश्चन में जहाँ भी 72 होगा उसको मैं चेंज नहीं करूँगा. तो मैं नीचे वाले 72 को भी ऐसे लिख लेता हूँ, क्रॉस 72. यहाँ कोई 90 माइनस का मेथड मैंने नहीं लगाया. नाउ साइन 90 माइनस थीटा, साइन 90 माइनस ए विल इक्वल्स टू क्रॉस ए. मीन्स इसको कन्वर्ट करो क्रॉस में, और ये मेरा जो ए है ये इधर अपॉन cos 72 as it is, cancel out, answer 1, just because sin 90 minus a is equals to क्या होता है, cos a. Understand? This is how we will use. Now the second part, again same process. I can write tan 90, sorry, in the question there is a thought again. 10 I can write 90 में से क्या माइनस करूँ, मेरे पास 26 आ जाए 64. अब बिकॉज देयर इज 64 तो आई विल डोंट चेंज द डिनोमिनेटर. 10 90 माइनस ए इज टू cot ए, तो ऊपर मेरे पास आया cot 64, नीचे भी cot 64, कैंसिल आउट, 1 आंसर. थर्ड पार्ट इज cos 48 sin 42. cos 48 minus sin 42. Just take this one, cos 90 में से कितना माइनस करेगी, मेरे पास 48 आ जाए, 42. 90 माइनस 40 तो 48 आ जाएगा, माइनस sin 42 as it is, because I have seen here 42, so I don't change it. Your degree signs you can put easily. Now cos 90 minus a is sin a. This is my a. It is sin 42 minus sin 42. Same, cancel out, will become 0. Now I hope you understand how to solve. So just solve the fourth part similarly as I done third one. Now here is the question number 2, part 1. Evaluate tan 48, tan 23, tan 42 and tan 67. Just apply this same method. I can write tan 90 minus how much I subtract to that 48, that will be 42. Now here is 42. So in whole question where is 42 degree, I will don't change it. Next one is tan, I can write as 90 minus 67. Now because 42 and 67 is there, so I will not change it. It will be as it is, tan 42, tan 67. Tan 90 minus theta means cos 42. This is cot 67. This is tan 42, tan 67. As we know, cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. So we can say it is 1 upon tan 42, 1 upon tan 67. This is tan 42, tan 67. 67 से ये cancel out, 42 से ये cancel out, it will become 1. Is the required solution. Now I have to prove that it will be equal to 0. Again, cos 90, how much I subtract from 90 to get 38? So I will have to subtract 52, because there is a 52, so I will not change it. Cos 52 is as it is, minus sin, again it is 90 minus 52. So there is a 52, I will not change in, sin 52 as it is. Cos 90 minus theta, that means sin theta, it will become sin 52 degree, and this cos 52. Similarly, sine 90 minus 52 means cos 52, and that is sine 52 degrees. Both are same. With subtraction, it means it will be equals to 0. Answer. Now here is the third question. It is given that tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18. Find the value of a. Because here is the cot, I can change it also in the cot. I can write it cot of 90 minus 2a. As you know, when I use the formula, it will become tan 2a is equals to cotangent of a minus 18. Cot se cot cancel out. It will be 90 minus 2a will equals to a minus 18. Keep the a terms aside. That is 18 minus 90 minus 3a minus 108. Then minus and minus cancel out. A is equals to 108 upon 3, or it is 36 degree is the value of A. Now question number 4. It is given that tan A is equals to cot B. Then prove that A plus B is equals to 90 degree. Very simple question it is. I can write it as cot of 90 minus A will equals to cot of B. Cot se cot cancel out. 90 minus A will equals to B, or 90 is equals to A goes there, then it is A plus B. So we can say A plus B is equals to 90 degree, hence proved. Now here is the question number 5. Says if sec 4A is equals to cosec A minus 20, then find A, where A is an acute angle as usual. So I can write it is as cosec 90 minus 4a will equals to cosec a minus 20. As you know, cosec 90 minus a is equals to sec a. So I can reverse the formula and use it. Now cosec se cosec cancel out. 90 minus 4a is equals to a minus 20. Or you can say 4a minus a minus 20 minus 90 minus 5a is equals to minus 110. Then a will equals to 110 upon 5 means 22 degree is the required solution. Now here is the most important question of the exercise. If the ABC are the interior angle of the triangle ABC, then prove that sine B plus C by 2 is equals to cos A by 2. This question is most important of the exercise. There are several ways to solve it, but that's the first simplest way is, as we know, ABC are the triangles, are the angles of triangle ABC. Therefore, A plus B plus C should be equals to 180. By this I can say B plus C is equals to 180 minus A. Clear? Now, put the value of B plus C in the LHS term, and it will become sine B plus C by 2. It means it is sine 180 minus A by 2. Take the 2 both side for this, then sine it is 180 by 2. It can be written as minus A by 2. It will cancel out, means 90. So it is sine 90 minus A by 2. Sine 90 minus theta is nothing, just cos theta. You know that it is cos A by 2 by the formula sine 90 minus A is equals to cos A. Hence proved. Very simple question it was. So as you understand how to solve using this complementary angle relation, Now in the next lecture we will discuss exercise 8.4, the most important and most typical in the whole chapter. Till then, practice it.